today's video. Best window air conditioner for 500 square feet.
Hi, in this video we're going to take a close look at the best products on the market. We have spent our quality time in selecting these products so that you can have an easy time when buying. There are lots of different features that we took into account. We also analyzed many customer reviews to find the best products. If you choose from our list, you can be sure that you'll be buying a great product. And make sure to check the product links down below in the description to see their price and find out more information. Let's not waste any more time and get started with the video.
Best window air conditioner for 500 square feet.
Starting off our list at number 5. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 4. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 3 in the list. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 2. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 1. And these are our ratings for this product.
Best window air conditioner for 500 square feet.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions about the products, leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.